Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok email address. So to change the email address linked to your TikTok account, open TikTok app and tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, go down and select settings and privacy. Scroll down and select account. Then from here, tap on account information at the top. Then select email and tap on change email. Then type in your new email address and verify the change using the code sent to your current email, phone number, or the new email address. And that's basically it. Then just click on continue and that's it. So if you don't see an email option, TikTok may require you to have a verified phone number or another login method linked first, or you need to complete security verification before changing contact information. If you've lost access to your old email, you may still be able to update your account using a link phone number or by contacting TikTok support. Thank you for watching.